welcome to Grilling Paradise. In this video, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with the best flat-top gas griddle grill. Get ready to savor delicious pancakes, juicy steaks, and more. Discover the ultimate griddle's features and why it's a must-have for every grilling enthusiast. Let's ignite the flames. Number 1. Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle cooking station. Prepare to elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle cooking station, the ultimate griddle that's ready to handle any culinary challenge. With 720 square inches of cooking space and 4 independent heat zones, this griddle offers the versatility to cook for small gatherings or large crowds effortlessly. Crafted with a powder-coated steel frame, stainless steel burners, and a thick cold-rolled steel cooktop, this griddle is built to withstand the test of time. The 4 burners deliver a total of 60,000 BTUs of precise heat, ensuring restaurant-worthy sears and perfect cooking results every time. Thanks to the innovative rear grease management system, cleaning up after cooking bacon or juicy meats is now a breeze. The patented rear grease trap collects all the mess, leaving you with more time to enjoy your delicious meals and less time cleaning up. No more hassle with kerosene, charcoal, or matches. The Blackstone gas griddle features an easy start, battery-powered push-button ignition. Simply press the button and you're ready to cook. The griddle runs on propane gas, utilizing a standard 20-pound tank, conveniently stored under the left side shelf. The cart boasts 2 sturdy side tables for holding plates and utensils, while the bottom shelf provides ample space for storing supplies. With the control knobs easy to adjust, you have full control over the cooking process, from low and slow to high and searing. In conclusion, the Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle cooking station is a culinary powerhouse that promises to take your outdoor cooking to new heights. Replace your standard grill and embrace the versatility and convenience of this griddle. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can cook eggs, pancakes, quesadillas, grilled cheese, steaks, potatoes, and more with ease. Get ready for restaurant-style cooking in your backyard. Don't hesitate. Click the link in the description below to make this top-notch griddle yours today. Happy grilling! Number 2. Blackstone Flat-Top Gas Grill Griddle. Introducing the Blackstone Flat-Top Gas Grill Griddle, a budget-friendly and space-saving grilling solution that doesn't compromise on performance. With its generous 524 square inches of flat-top grilling surface, this griddle is perfect for whipping up a feast of breakfast, lunch, and dinner delights. From eggs and pancakes to quesadillas, grilled cheese, juicy steaks, golden potatoes, and teppanyaki-style wonders, this griddle can handle it all with ease. Equipped with 2 burners, you have the flexibility to crank up the heat for the perfect sear or set one side to warm, keeping your dishes hot until it's time to serve. Plus, the rear grease management system ensures a clean and hassle-free cooking experience. Simple and user-friendly, this griddle features a battery-powered push-start button for quick ignition. The convenient storage shelf keeps your cooking supplies close at hand, and the single side table provides ample space for plates and utensils. When it's time to hit the road for tailgates or cookouts, the Blackstone Flat-Top Gas Grill Griddle is easy to transport. Simply remove the griddle top and tank, collapse the legs, and use the 2 wheels to roll it into your vehicle. With Blackstone's reputation as a leader in the outdoor cooking category, you can trust in the quality of this product. They stand behind their griddle, large or small, with a 1-year warranty ensuring your satisfaction. For those seeking a cost-effective and space-saving grilling solution without sacrificing performance, the Blackstone Flat-Top Gas Grill Griddle is the answer. Take your outdoor cooking to new heights and enjoy delicious meals wherever you go. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic griddle. Happy grilling! Number 3. Cuisinart 306-sided Griddle. Introducing the Cuisinart 306-sided Griddle, a space-saving, versatile, and efficient cooking center that takes your outdoor cooking to new heights. With its compact 22 inches size and a unique round design, this griddle offers a whole new level of cooking versatility. Featuring 2 independently controlled burners, you get a total of 30,000 BTUs, allowing you to create hot and cool zones on the griddle surface. Achieve the perfect sear on one side while keeping other foods warm on the other. It's all possible with the Cuisinart 306-sided Griddle. But that's not all. The stainless steel lid with a vent opens up a world of possibilities. From roasting and steaming to baking and smoking, this griddle does it all. The folding prep table with a convenient paper towel holder underneath provides ample space for food preparation and easy cleanup. One of the standout features is the oversized 360-degree grease pan surrounding the cooking surface. No more worries about oil splattering. This tray funnels all the grease to the grease cup, ensuring effortless cleanup. With an easy assembly process, this griddle will be up and running in 30 minutes or less. Plus, you get the peace of mind with a 3-year limited warranty from Cuisinart. The only drawback is the lack of a handle for moving it around. but with its compact size and lightweight design, transportation is still relatively easy. In conclusion, the Cuisinart 360 Griddle delivers exceptional cooking performance in a space-saving design. From searing to roasting, this griddle can handle it all with ease. Say hello to a new world of outdoor cooking possibilities and elevate your grilling game with the Cuisinart 360 Griddle. Don't miss out on this fantastic griddle. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on it today. Happy grilling. Number 4. Pit Boss Portable Flat Top Griddle. Attention all outdoor enthusiasts and campers. Feast your eyes on the Pit Boss Portable Flat Top Griddle, the ultimate companion for delicious outdoor meals. Weighing just 24 pounds, this tabletop griddle is a breeze to carry and set up on a picnic table, bringing the joy of cooking under the open sky. With an impressive 289 square inches of cooking space and 2 burners, it's the perfect size to feed a family of 4. The pre-seasoned, non-stick surface ensures hassle-free cooking and easy cleanup, making your outdoor culinary experience even more enjoyable. No need to worry about fuel, as it runs off 1-pound propane cylinders, but you can upgrade to a 20-pound tank with an adapter hose for added convenience and savings. Assembling this griddle is a piece of cake and requires only a screwdriver. Plus, its 4 sturdy legs keep it steady on any surface, while the grease cup catches drippings for effortless cleaning. Pit Boss doesn't stop there. They've included a high-quality cover for storage and protection, ensuring your griddle stays in top-notch condition. Portable, versatile, and easy to use with its push and turn ignition, the Pit Boss Portable Flat Top Griddle is the ideal choice for camping, tailgating, or even home use. With its sleek black design and durable construction, this griddle will be your trusty outdoor cooking companion for years to come. And don't forget, Pit Boss stands behind their product with a 2-year limited warranty, giving you added peace of mind. Elevate your outdoor cooking game and make unforgettable memories with the Pit Boss Portable Flat Top Griddle. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic griddle. Happy grilling. Number 5. Royal Gourmet Portable Propane Gas Grill. Get ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level with the Royal Gourmet Portable Propane Gas Grill. This versatile hybrid model combines the best of both worlds, featuring 2 burners on each side of the grill, perfect for added control and flexibility in your cooking. With a total of 48,000 BTUs, this grill and griddle combo ensures efficient and powerful cooking performance. The griddle side, roughly the size of a smaller portable griddle, is ideal for cooking for 1 or 2 people during a weeknight, while the grill side boasts cast iron grates to retain heat and leave those delightful grill marks on your food. Assembling this beauty is a breeze, and the foldable cart makes storage and transport a cinch. We love the thoughtful details, like the rail with hooks to keep your grilling essentials organized, and the grease tray conveniently mounted in the back, keeping the front side clean and tidy. The 2 fixed side tables provide ample space for food preparation, and the lower bar design keeps your grilling accessories within easy reach. The automatic ignition system ensures fast and hassle-free startup, thanks to the 4 big knobs on the stainless steel control panel. With its fold-down legs for compact storage and 4 locking casters for easy moving, this gas grill is an absolute joy for cookouts and outdoor adventures. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the removable oil management system, making your post-cooking routine effortless. In conclusion, the Royal Gourmet Portable Propane Gas Grill is a fantastic addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Its combination of grill and griddle functionality, along with thoughtful design features, make it a top choice for those seeking versatility and convenience. Whether you're grilling a juicy steak or whipping up fajitas, this grill has got you covered. So, click the link in the description below and get your hands on this fantastic grilling companion today. Happy cooking! Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey of outdoor cooking. We hope you enjoyed learning about the best flat top gas griddle grill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more sizzling grilling adventures. Happy grilling, and we'll see you next time.